Hello everyone, we are back with another informative video in the series of CRM implementation challenges. In today's video, we are going to talk about continuous maintenance of CRM system. Let's see how we can maintain our CRM system. Number 1, data cleansing and quality control. Regularly audit and clean your data to remove duplicates and inaccuracies. Establish data quality standards and enforce them to maintain consistency. Number 2, software update and maintenance. Keep your CRM software up to date with the latest patches, bug fixes, and features update. Test update in a sandbox environment before rolling them out to the production system. Number 3, integration management. Regularly assess and optimize integration with other systems to ensure smooth data flow. Verify that APIs and connectors are working seamlessly. Number 4, data backups and disaster recovery. Establish robust backup and disaster recovery plan to prevent data loss in case of system failures. Number 5, monitoring and performance tuning. Implement monitoring tools to track system performance, response times, and user activity. Use performance data to identify bottlenecks and optimize system speed. By paying meticulous attention to these detailed aspects, you can ensure that your CRM system remains a valuable asset in managing customer relationship, enhancing productivity, and driving business growth. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to follow us for more informative videos. Thank you.